welcome back to my channel. My name is lisaphan, and today I thought I'd share with you guys all of my aesthetics. And this video is inspired by Jazzy and Moya. I saw their videos and I love what they did with all their aesthetics. I'll link their videos down below if you guys want to check them out. Anyway, that is all. Let's get into it. The name suggests, I am that bitch when I'm wearing a blazer for no reason, and that's quite often. I feel like my friends can vouch for me, but I love the simple blazer look with a very simple silhouette with a crop top and jeans, and then I threw on some heels for an added touch to this lookbook, but I normally wear some sneakers as well, and I have a shoulder bag for a throwback look at the same time. It's a very on the go, she's dreaming of living in the city kind of chic, and yeah, that's the vibe.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah.
This classy and romantic vibe is one of my favorite aesthetics out there. I just don't go anywhere to be able to wear such pretty, long, dainty dresses. I feel like this look is so classy, perfect for a picnic or a brunch dinner or going to taste wine. I have no idea. It just gives me that vibe and I love it, but I go nowhere, so I'm sharing it in today's video. She's your classy girl next door that has bougie taste but is simple at the same time. You know what I mean?
Cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me. Yeah, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute.
I could not do this video without including my basic influencer outfit, so here it is. And I kind of wanted to go on the more casual route with the biker short or romper kind of outfit with a crop top, sneakers, and a waist bag. This is a classic blogger kind of look and I love it, so this is my influencer aesthetic.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. I'm moving up the ladder like my playing ticket. Was living economic till I turned business. My wrist so would be cold, damn it, I ain't frozen. Nah. People come and go.
I don't even know if I can claim this as an aesthetic, but I am a college student and I love my comfy outfits, so this is just an example of one of them that includes my favorite sweats. So I have sweats on, a white t-shirt, and a denim jacket with the chunky sneakers and the canvas tote bag. I think I really tied in the look here for a very cute, casual college fit, and it's definitely one of the top looks I sport nowadays. Not even like at home, but just in general. I like to wear this outfit because it's really comfortable and it looks cute and it's easy to walk in. I'm just worried about studying, so there's really nothing much to it.
Mama be proud of me. I'm moving up the ladder like my playing ticket. Was living economic till I turned business. My wrist so would be cold, damn it, I ain't frozen. The way you're staring at me could compare to nothing. Oh gosh, I'm falling in deep. Oh, like in the ocean and no life that's holding me. I'm drowning in your worth when you look at me. Ay.
She is your soft girl, your ultimate girl next door, so I had to wear the same outfit again that I always do to exemplify what a soft girl is to me, but I did throw on some nude pumps and a mini bag to really tie the look together and add the cutesy chic look to the soft girl vibe.
I don't know, crush on you, let me love on you. Will you make my body move? This feeling's nothing new. Take it easy, you're the only one I need.
Ladies, this is my going out on the town kind of outfit. I haven't done it in a while, so this was a bit odd for me to put on, but I love these leather pants and I love putting on different types of tops, fabrics, and patterns, so I picked a leopard for this one, but with the strappy heels, the bag, and the faux fur coat, this is ultimately extra with the accessories as well, but I love it. I love going out full force, and this is the usual vibe I go for, very different from everything else I usually wear, but this is my party girl outfit.
But you don't really see it till it's here. That's all I do since I was 17. Cutting up tough, all you lame soft don't speak. Fuck it, I don't know you, yeah. Get run through by my team.
Going back on a more girly note, I have here my fairy vibe look. I really didn't know what to call this, but every time I put colorful clips into my hair, I feel like a fairy, and especially with this floral mini dress, that's the vibe I'm going for. But I love this very feminine vibe. It makes me feel so happy and with a bit more color than my usual palette. So this is my fairy vibe aesthetic.
Day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need.
Must I say any more about this outfit? This is my CEO aesthetic. I have no idea what else to call it, but this is my ultimate boss woman, boss girl outfit. She doesn't wear jeans, she wears pants, she's ready for her meetings, the hustle, the money moves. So this is that look. I love wearing my blazers, like I said before, but this is my full force, all black power suit, even though it's not really like a suit. It's my version of a CEO outfit, so here she is.
I'm just trying to build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah.
Ryan Little.
I am now channeling my inner K-drama fanatic. This is my she's in a K-drama aesthetic, and I feel like in a lot of Korean dramas that has to do with business or conglomerates or chaebols or heirs, they wear a lot of fancy outfits, and I love the layering of a blouse with a dress, mini bags, and heels. It looks super cute yet classy, and I'm a huge fan of the colors. So here is a full-on pastel K-drama inspired outfit that I love to sport quite often.
These are them dog days, long days, chillin', but this don't feel like a vacay. Staying home all day, play Xbox with my homies.
Excuse me if this is cringy, but I just feel like the ultimate cool girl in my 90s inspired outfits. So as a 2000s baby, this is an era I have never lived through, but I love the throwback vibe, the mini shoulder bag, and the kind of cropped white top with the blue jeans vibe with the hoops. I love it. This aesthetic is one of my top favorite trends that I hope doesn't go away. I love it, and I wear it way too often than not. The aftermath of filming in my room, and so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It took a lot of energy. I basically filmed the entire day. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next and your thoughts on today's video. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye beauties.